In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient backgrounds in Squarespace 7.1, no code needed. We'll take a simple no-code path to add a polished gradient to a page section so your content stands out and your site feels modern. Start by logging into your Squarespace 7.1 site and opening your website in the editor. In the left sidebar, go to Pages so you can choose where to place your gradient. Open your home page, since that's often the first impression your visitors get. Then enter editing mode by selecting Edit at the top. This lets you make changes directly on the page. Add a new section to hold the gradient. Choose Add Section, then pick Add Blank. A blank section gives you a clean canvas and full control over the look without any preloaded blocks getting in the way. Hover over the section and open Edit section to access its settings. Head to Background. This is where the magic happens. Instead of uploading an image or setting a flat color, choose Art. Art backgrounds include dynamic, design-forward options that behave like gradients and can be customized without any code. Click through a few styles to preview them live on your page. You'll see the background update instantly, which makes it easy to compare options. Once you find a base style you like, open Custom. Here you can fine-tune the look. Click the color swatches to select the first and second colors for your gradient and adjust any available sliders for direction, intensity, or scale, depending on the style you selected. Aim for a pleasing blend while maintaining enough contrast for your text. If your text feels hard to read, try nudging the colors lighter or darker, or consider using your section's overlay controls to subtly add contrast. When you're happy with the colors, go back to the main section settings. Tweak the section spacing so the gradient has room to breathe, especially if you want a bold, full bleed feel. Adjusting padding can make the gradient feel intentional and balanced around your content. Take a quick look at how it appears on different screen sizes using the built-in device previews. Gradients can look slightly different on mobile, so a quick check ensures your colors and contrast still work well. Finally, click Save to publish your changes. Your gradient background is now live, created entirely with Squarespace's built-in tools. As a tip, you can duplicate this section to reuse the same gradient on other pages, or save it as part of your design system to keep your brand consistent. That's it.